Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video we are talking about the vanilla Visa Debit eGift cards, and more specifically we're going to see if we can add it into our PayPal app and use it as a payment method. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with the vanilla Visa Debit eGift cards, they're definitely a lot different than the physical cards that you buy at like Target or Walmart. So these are completely separate. Basically all they are is you just buy these cards online. Once you've paid for them, they'll email the eGift card to you in your inbox. Once you get that, then you can usually use them at most places that accept Visa Debit online or over the phone. You cannot use these cards at a store like 7-Eleven or at Nike or something like that. But can you use it on your PayPal app as a payment method? That's what we're going to find out. So I'm going to go ahead and open my PayPal app. Okay, so I went ahead and opened up my PayPal app, and this is the home screen. And here on the home screen, you're going to see other PayPal users that you interacted with towards the top, along with your transaction history. But if you want to try to add your vanilla Visa eGift card into your PayPal app as a payment method, you want to click on this gear icon here on the top right. Once you click there, another drop-down menu is going to happen. I'm going to click there now. Okay, so I went ahead and clicked there, and then here on this screen, you're going to see a lot of different options for your PayPal account. But if you want to try to add your vanilla Visa eGift card, you want to click on this line right here called Banks and Cards. I'm going to click there now. All right, so I went ahead and clicked there, and then here on this screen, you're going to see all the different banks and cards you have associated with your PayPal account. So you can see I have my Chase account attached right there. But if you want to try to add your vanilla Visa eGift card, you want to click on this line right here. It's a black circle with, it looks like a cross on it. I'm going to click there now. All right, next this comes up, so you can choose between bank account or debit or credit card. The vanilla Visa eGift card is a debit card, so you want to click the second line. I'm going to click there now. All right, next you can link a card manually, which is what I choose. I'm not sure why these things pop up here, so I'm just going to choose this top line. All right, next PayPal is asking for the full 16-digit vanilla Visa eGift card. I'm going to enter that in off screen now. Okay, so I went ahead and entered in the full 16-digit numbers. Next, I'm going to click this blue Next button now. All right, next PayPal is asking for the expiration date and security code to my vanilla Visa eGift card. I'm going to enter that in. Okay, next PayPal is asking me to confirm the billing address. Since this is an eGift card, the billing address doesn't really matter, just the zip code matches. So I checked the zip code, it matches up with what I registered on vanillagift.com. Next, I'm going to click this blue link card. I'm going to click there now. All right, and just a few seconds later, this screen pops up, and it looks like, yes, you can use your vanilla Visa eGift card on PayPal as a payment method. As you can see, I now have the Visa prepaid vanilla Visa eGift card listed right there. So if you were not able to add your vanilla Visa eGift card into your PayPal account for some reason, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know why that might be. But as far as I can see, it looks like it should not be an issue for you. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.